When the whole world is fighting for oil, India has made sure that its oil tankers never run dry. So hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. Now, this news says that Russia has promised to keep sending oil and LNG gas to India even when global tensions like US, Israel versus Iran conflict is happening and are disturbing the energy supplies. Russia is a very old friend of India, and we all know that. India and Russia, earlier it was USSR, the Soviet Union, have been close since the Cold War era, and we all know that. During the 1971 India-Pakistan war, where many Western countries supported Pakistan, the Soviet Union supported India diplomatically and also militarily. Russia has always helped India with deterrence, weapons, jets, energy, oil, gas, and technology, and that is why this relationship is called a time-tested partnership. Now, what exactly is happening right now? Due to global conflicts, oil supply is unstable, and we all know what is happening with other countries. Russia says that it can increase oil and gas supply to India right now, and it will also help with fertilizers, which is important for the Indian farmers. Now, India and Russia are also improving their trade, connectivity, and people-to-people relationships. India's smart diplomacy is clearly visible here. India is playing a balanced game, which is being friends with Russia, also in good relations with the US and also the West. Doesn't take extreme sides, and this is called the strategic autonomy, and how strategically we are balancing everything. Now, there are multiple dimensions to this news. So the first dimension is the energy security dimension. India imports most of its oil. Cheap Russian oil will be big relief for economy. Second is the agriculture dimension. Russia supplies fertilizers important for food security. Then there is a geopolitical dimension, shows India is not dependent on one particular bloc, maintains ties with both the West and Russia. And then there is an economical dimension to it, which is stable oil supply is equal to control inflation, help growth. And then there is a defense relations dimension. So Russia is still a major defense supplier to India. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this news. This becomes highly important for GS paper 2 international relations, India-Russia relations, India's foreign policy, strategic autonomy, balancing global powers. For GS paper 3 economy, in energy security, impact of oil prices on inflation. For essay, this becomes highly important, and for interview also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.